Have you ever wondered what geology actually is? Like, what do geologists actually do? Do they just walk around and look at rocks all day? Because honestly, I kind of used to think that. But geology is so much more than that. So let's dig in and talk about what geology is, why it matters, what geologists really do, and how you can actually become one. So, geology is the study of Earth. That means rocks, minerals, crystals, gemstones, fossils, volcanoes, earthquakes, rivers, mountains, literally the ground beneath your feet. If you love crystals, that's geology. If you love rockhounding, that's geology. If you've ever cracked open a geode and thought, wow, that is geology. Minerals are the building blocks of rocks, and gemstones are special minerals that are rare, beautiful, and strong enough to be used in jewelry. So yes, your favorite crystal, 100% science. And what's crazy is most of them have formed hundreds of millions, maybe even billions of years ago, under intense heat and pressure. And you're literally holding Earth's history in your hand. And that's one of the things that really fascinates me. Since I know a lot of you like gemstones, here's something cool. All gemstones are minerals, but not all minerals are gemstones. For example, quartz is a mineral. Amethyst is purple quartz because there's iron in the crystal structure. Citrine is yellow quartz. It's the same mineral, but different conditions. Geologists study how crystals form, what temperature and pressure created them, why certain gemstones are only found in certain places, and how to mine them responsibly. So when you find a crystal, it's not just pretty, it's a scientific clue, and that makes it even cooler. Okay, but why does geology matter in real life? Because geology affects basically everything. Without geology, we wouldn't have modern life the way we know it, and that's kind of a big deal. Now let's clear something out. Yes, some geologists hike around with rock hammers, but geology has so many different paths. Some geologists study minerals under a microscope, analyze rock samples in a lab, map rock layers in the field, work near volcanoes, study fossils, and help mining companies find resources. There's so many directions. It's not just rock collecting, it's investigation. It's like being a detective, but your evidence is Earth. Okay, here's something personal that I'd love to share. So I don't just love geology as a hobby. I'm actually studying geology and working towards my geology degree in school. I'm learning about mineral identification, rock classification, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks, the rock cycle, geological history, and just the science behind everything that I talk about here. And the more I learn, the more obsessed I get. Because once you understand how the Earth works, you start seeing it everywhere. If you're watching this and thinking, wait, I actually want to do this, you can. And here's a couple things of how you can. First of all, you need to stay curious and ask questions, and don't be afraid to let yourself get out there. Asking questions was one of the ways that I got so into geology, and it just led me to where I am right now. I wouldn't say I'm a professional because I don't know everything. I still have so much more to learn. Another thing is you can go rockhounding and join gem clubs. I'm sure you have one close to where you live. You can take earth science courses, or you can just get like a geology book. You can even get rock and gem books like this one. But I will say, if you're learning about rocks right now, you're already starting. One of my favorite things about geology is that it's like a huge puzzle. Every rock tells a story. Every mineral tells you about the environment it formed in. Every fault line shows movement and displacement. When you understand more about geology, the world doesn't look random anymore. It makes sense. So, what is geology? It's the study of Earth. It's understanding how our Earth formed and how it's still changing today. If you love rocks, crystals, mining, rockhounding, or just learning cool things about the Earth, please subscribe and come along on this amazing adventure. I'd love it if you would, because geology isn't just rocks. It's Earth's story, and we're just getting started. So, Thank you all so much for joining me and watching today's video. I hope to see you in the next one. Happy gemstone finding. Bye guys!